Teochew-style steamed fish is very easy and super delicious. The tanginess of the mustard greens and pickled plums enhances the gravy and makes this dish memorable. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings. The ingredients needed are 950 grams of fish, clean and score. I am using tilapia today, but any white flesh fish works well too. 150 ml of water, 125 grams of pork belly, sliced thinly, some cilantro for garnishing, 150 grams of tomato, cut into wedges, 90 grams of salted mustard greens, sliced thinly, 90 grams of shiitake mushroom, soaked until soft and sliced thinly, 20 grams of ginger, cut to strips, 1 chilli, cut to strips, half tablespoon of sugar, optional, half tablespoon of salt, 2 stalks of spring onion with stem cut and the leaf chopped and separated, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, and 3 pieces of sour plum with the sauce. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, fill the steaming pot with water on medium heat, cover it and wait for about 8 to 10 minutes for the water to boil. Then, marinate the pork belly slices with 1/3 of the salt. Rub to spread it evenly. Set aside. Next, marinate the fish. Sprinkle 1/3 of the salt all over the fish and rub it on the side, in the skull, and in the stomach. Flip and repeat with the rest of the salt. Next, put half of the ginger strip into the stomach. This helps to reduce the fishy smell as the fish cooks. Set the fish aside. Use a serving plate or tray that is suitable for steaming the fish. Line the plate with marinated pork belly slices. Try not to overlap the pork for even cooking. Make sure to leave the center as empty as possible. Repeat with the layer of shiitake mushroom slices. Then, rest the fish in the center of the plate. In the pot of boiling water, set up the steaming layer. Carefully place the steaming plate with the fish in the steamer. Cover the pan and steam the fish for 8 minutes on medium heat. Meanwhile, make the sauce. In a mixing bowl, add all the water, light soy sauce, garlic oil, oyster sauce, sugar, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, and the plum sauce liquid. Mix until all the seasonings are well combined. After 8 minutes, open the lid. The fish, pork, and shiitake mushroom are about 80% cooked. Carefully lift the plate with the steaming clam while supporting the ingredients with the spatula. Tilt the plate towards the bowl to empty out the fishy water. Do not pour the fishy water into the steaming water as it will affect the dish fragrance later. Then, set the steaming plate down on the heat-resistant surface. Line the border of the plate with tomato wedges. Sprinkle the remaining ginger strip over the fish. Place the plum on the either side of the plate. Sprinkle the mustard green all around the plate and over the fish, spring onion stems, and half of the chili strips. All done, carefully place the fish back into the steaming pot. Make sure to use the steaming clam, which I forgot to use. Then, pour mixed sauce all over the fish and the rest of the ingredients. Cover the pot and let it continue to steam for 7 more minutes. After 7 minutes, our Teochew-style steamed fish is ready. Switch off the heat. Open the lid. Wow, so fragrant! With a steamed clam, take out the plates from the steaming pot. Garnish with spring onions, cilantro, and crispy fried garlic. It looks super yummy. Let's eat! Very delicious. The fish is very tasty and soft, and the shiitake mushroom is tender and fragrant. The mustard green is salty sour. The gravy is sweet sour with subtle hints of pork flavor. It goes so well with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!